Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations, division, shown here, and addition, shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we have x divided by 3 plus 3 is equal to negative 12. We want to get rid of this term first, so we subtract 3 from both sides. So we get x divided by 3 plus 3 minus 3 equals negative 12 minus 3. So as you can see, we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Simplifying, we get x divided by 3 is equal to negative 12 minus 3 is negative 15. This term involves division, which we can undo with multiplication. So we get x divided by 3 times 3 equals negative 15, also times 3. So we multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Simplifying, we get x is equal to negative 45.